Things do not happen unless you make them happen. How you can make them happen? Let's see. There are the 5 steps. First, you don't need to be in garage. It means you don't need to be perfect. What does it mean? When you start something, never feel that it can perfect, means you can perfect the thing. If I start with the any product, suppose I started with the institute and I started with the services, that I can make people speak English, I can make them I can make them communicate with others, and means I can enable them to speak English flawlessly. So there are these steps which I used, but I did not become perfect to use these all that steps. What I did, I took the experience. I experienced these all things. I put the experiments. You know experiments? I started with the session. There I started teaching them through grammar portion. Then I realized people can understand the grammar portion, but they cannot speak English flawlessly through grammar. Okay, they can disperse their doubts, they can clarify their concept, but they need to go through any applied method. So I used this applied method. I again took the new experiment, which became perfect. You know what happens when you validated the things? You need to go through 2 processes. First process, pivot, or some people say pivot. Second is persevere. Pivot and persevere, what's the difference between them? Pivot, when you start, you don't need to perfect the things. You start it with the small steps. And as I always tell, you don't need to be great to start. You need to start to be great. Yeah? You don't have to be great to start. If you think I will be great, then I will start. I will be great, I will be starting. You won't be able to start because you won't be able to become great. You cannot be great unless you start. So you don't have to be great to start. You have to start to be great. Are you getting what do I mean to say? समझ में आ रहा है आपको कि अगर किसी भी चीज को स्टार्ट करने के लिए आपको महान बनना पड़ेगा, तो महान तब तक नहीं बन पाओगे जब तक आप स्टार्ट नहीं करोगे. अगर मुझे मैथ्स अच्छा सीखना है, मुझे मैथ्स में एक अच्छी कमांड लेनी है, तो मुझे मैथ्स में एक्सपीरियंस लेना पड़ेगा. मैं ग्रेट तब तक नहीं बन पाऊंगा मैथ्स में जब तक मैं उसको सॉल्व नहीं कर लेता. बिना सॉल्व करे मैं मैथ्स में कैसे ग्रेट बन जाऊंगा? You cannot be great, means you don't have to be great to start. You have to start to be great. अब start तो करो यार, come on. Start ही नहीं करोगे, how could you attain the everything? How could you attain the success? Attain, ATTAIN की बात कर रहा हूँ. Attain माने achieve करना होता है. Sometimes लोगों को confusion होता है attend और attain में. Attend, ATTEND, attend. आप कोई भी session attend करें, जैसे right now you are attending my session. और जब तक आप होमवर्क में लिखते हैं तो कुछ बच्चे लिखते हैं अटेन, ATTAIN. इंजीनियर्स ज्यादा लिखते हैं क्योंकि ये वर्ड उनके दिमाग में जा चुका है, फॉर्मल लैंग्वेज के थ्रू आया होगा. तो मुझे ऐसा फील होता है कि आप whenever you want to attain any success, how could you? When you start, how could you start? You don't need to be in garage. इसका मतलब you don't need to perfect the product. आपको कोई भी प्रोडक्ट को परफेक्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती.